Hi guys, today we are gonna be talking about earning money online by completing surveys. Before going to video, don't forget to like video, subscribe to my channel and comment below. Let's get started. If you're looking at making some extra cash on the side, you might be glad to know there are quite a few ways to do so. What people often tend to overlook is paid surveys. Even if they offer a flexible and legitimate way to make money online. There are many platforms these days that offer you rewards for completing online surveys, but if you're just getting into that, how do you know whether they're legit? And that's a fair point. Sometimes it's a little hard to believe you'll be paid actual money for simply telling a company what you like or don't like about their product, or sharing your TV watching habits. Well, the truth is, there are plenty of legit survey platforms that allow you to earn money by sharing your honest opinion and feedback. And I say, a direct survey provider from Ipsos is one of them. I say is an online survey platform and rewards community where you can get paid for sharing your opinion. It forms part of Ipsos, one of the biggest market research companies worldwide. Ipsos conducts over 70 million interviews every year for 5,000 clients from over 100 countries. The main way to earn points is to complete the surveys, but there are many other ways to earn even more points, meaning you can make more money. One of the options available for redeeming your points is a PayPal transfer. You will need to have at least 1,530 points in your account to be able to redeem points this way. With as little as 500 points, you can choose a free gift card. iSay offers many different vouchers from Starbucks, Target, Amazon, and many more. iSay is powered by Ipsos, which is a solid company that has been in operation for over 30 years. This gives iSay a lot of credibility, and you can definitely trust it. Let me tell you about the second survey completion site is Junkie. Junkie is an online platform that connects users with an array of surveys from popular brands and service providers. If you have some free time to spare and you want to earn some easy money, taking online surveys could be ideal. There is a low barrier to entry to get started, and almost everyone is eligible for some surveys based on the information they include in their profile. Pay is fairly low at approximately 50 cents to $3 for each survey completed, yet many questionnaires take 20 minutes or less, and they're rarely difficult or stressful. Also, be aware that some surveys pay more in points than others. Most surveys that are currently available are worth between 80 and 150 points, and each point is worth 1 cent each. Junkie is a free platform that lets users answer questions in exchange for PayPal cash or gift cards. You won't earn a ton of money for the time you put in, but this platform makes it easy to build up a stash of rewards you can use to pay for splurges or even everyday bills. MyPoints is an online rewards platform that awards points for shopping online, taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. They have been around since 1996 and have over 20 million active members. You can use MyPoints online or on the free mobile app. There is no fee for signing up with MyPoints and you can start earning points right away. Okay, so it's not a scam, but how do you earn money from a rewards program? Easy. Just do many of the things you're already doing online, like shopping, using coupons, reading email, taking surveys, and more. MyPoints pays up to 400 points for answering surveys. To begin, you answer a short survey with some personal info for 10 points. This information helps MyPoints match you to other survey opportunities. You can also earn 5 points for every 10 questions you answer to build your profile. You can choose surveys based on length and reward. Usually, longer surveys award more points, but that isn't always the case. You can choose surveys based on length and reward. Usually, longer surveys award more points, but that isn't always the case. Generally, when you begin a survey, you answer some screening questions to see if you belong to the target audience. If you do, you proceed to the survey, and if you don't, you're screened out. In that case, you don't get the promised points, but MyPoints throws 1 to 5 points your way for trying. Just for signing up, MyPoints will give you $5 after you take your first 5 surveys. It really is that simple. You can earn points every day watching MyPoints video playlists. You can choose from categories that interest you, such as news, health, or entertainment. Looking at the reward rates, you'll see they're pretty low. For example, 4 points for watching 35 minutes of Fashion Wire videos. For a survey of a similar length, you'd earn over 100 points. Earn 25 points when you refer a friend who signs up for MyPoints. Then, if that friend spends $20 and qualifies for their 1,750 bonus points, you get 750 points. MyPoints has an active social media presence, and to engage members in the community, they post perk codes on their accounts and throughout the site. You can redeem perk codes for free points. MyPoints sends emails called bonus mail that offer ways to earn points. Many award 5 points just for clicking links in the email. Others are for special offers or even donating to known charities. You can earn points for every dollar you spend on online games through the MyPoints website. You need to set up a separate games account to get started. And lastly, you can cash out your points for gift cards, cash through PayPal, and more. You can even redeem for a credit to your United Mileage Plus account. Okay guys, that's all about the video. I hope I can help you make money online with this video. Like I said, all the methods I've shown you are legit and all the sites I've shown you are absolutely legal. Don't forget to like video, subscribe to my channel and comment below. Follow us to earn money online. Thanks for watching, goodbye.